Enterprise Resource Planning ERP software is a powerful digital system that helps businesses manage all their daily operations in one place. Instead of using many separate tools, ERP connects everything: finance, sales, inventory, human resources, and more into a single smart platform. As a business grows, managing information becomes complex and time-consuming. ERP software simplifies this by organizing data, automating processes, and reducing manual work. It helps companies operate faster, make fewer mistakes, and stay fully in control of their activities. ERP provides real-time data and clear reports about every part of the business. Managers can instantly see performance, track expenses, monitor stock levels, and analyze sales trends. With accurate information available anytime, businesses can make smarter and faster decisions. By automating routine tasks and connecting departments, ERP removes delays and confusion. Employees work more efficiently, communication improves, and operations run smoothly. This creates a strong foundation for business growth, scalability, and long-term success. In today's competitive world, businesses need speed, accuracy, and full visibility to succeed. ERP software is not just a tool, it is a complete management solution that transforms how organizations work. Implementing ERP means building a smarter, more organized, and future-ready business.